look at factorising into single brackets. So this is the simplest case of factorising, where every term has some sort of common factor that we can take out. This is slightly more difficult than expanding brackets, just in the same way that division is more difficult than multiplication, because it's the inverse operation, so it requires a little bit more delicate thought. But you can become very fluent at this very quickly with just a bit of practice. Okay, so this first one, both terms clearly have a common x, so we take that out, and then we open up our brackets, and then we write what we need to multiply x by to get this first term, and that's x, and then we add on what we need to multiply x by to get this second term, and that's 3. And that's the simplest form we can write that in. This next one, we have a common x squared. What do we need to multiply x squared to get x cubed? X. What do we need to multiply x squared with to get 4x squared? Well, that's 4. And again, that's the simplest form we can put that in. Here, the common factor is 3x, and we multiply 3x by 1 to get 3x, and we multiply 9x squared by 3x. 3x by 3x to get 9x squared. And this is the simplest form. And another note, if you don't get the simplest factor right away, that's alright, as long as you get a factor, but always check that in whatever brackets you have remaining, there aren't any more factors, because if there is another factor, you're going to have to simplify again to get this in the simplest form. Here we show the factor doesn't have to be algebraic. The common factor here is 4. 4 multiplied by x gives us 4x, and 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4. Okay, this one, again, just to show that different letters doesn't matter, the common factor is y, and then we get 1 plus z. Finally, even with 3 terms, it's the same deal. Common factor of p, we get 1 plus s plus r. Okay, so that concludes this video. We're going to go into factorising some slightly more complicated expressions in the upcoming videos. But thank you very much for watching this. If you did find it useful, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.